In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can add the ink tools in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead and go in the search bar and simply type Word. Click on Microsoft Word under the best match. Click on the blank document. So from here, as you can see, we don't have the ink tools right here on the ribbon. So in order to add it, simply click on the File tab. Now click on More, click on Options. And this Word Options window will appear. Now simply click on Customize Ribbon. And here you'll find Choose Commands From. Click on this drop down and then choose Tools tab. And in here you can find Ink Tools. So click on it. So once you find the ink tools, we just need to simply, okay, click on that and click on Add. So you have this one from here and click on OK. And now we have here Home and the Ink tab or the Ink tools. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can easily add the ink tools into your Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.